This is the forever home you've been searching for. Experience a maintenance-free lifestyle at Turnpointe Woods Senior Condominiums. This 55 and over community is a hidden gem offering luxury living at an affordable price. The spacious model home offers 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. The primary bedroom features a convenient ensuite bathroom, and both bathrooms even come with walk-in showers. You'll appreciate the upgrades such as custom cabinets and interior doors, 9-foot ceilings, and large windows. This home is high efficiency with low maintenance, providing all the comfort and convenience you need. All condominiums in Turnpointe Woods are designed with oversized doorways to accommodate any possible future accessibility needs. Other features include access to a fantastic community center with a kitchen and seating for over 50 neighbors and guests, available for use with only a cleanup required afterwards. The low monthly association fee of $150 covers snow removal and lawn maintenance. Imagine yourself in this lovely, maintenance-free home. Call Amy Allison to schedule a tour or visit at an open house taking place every Saturday from 11 to 2 and Sundays from 1 to 3.